Hello again, here on request, a little boat tour of our Winga 87 built in Sweden in 1983. She's a real old time already. Steuerstand. Wenn wir unsere Motor fahren. Wenn man sich umdreht, eine Pinne zum Sehen. We hope you enjoyed the tour and got a little bit better idea of the Winga. In the near future, we will load up new videos of our Baltic Sea round, which we started this year along the German coast. We sailed along the paths of the old Hanse and Gotland sailors, which were big traders from the 1200s onwards until about 1600s. We are going to explore the German coast from Kiel to the Stettiner Haff and visiting all the old Hanse cities and nowadays World Heritage Sites. But because of our farewell to Hamburg, which we are living for the next years, we first show you a few pictures, movies from the Hamburger Hafenfest, Hamburger Harbor Ferry, and the next one will be of the beautiful River Elbe from Hamburg to the Lock of Brunsbüttel, through the Kiel Canal and up to Kiel. If you like the videos, we would really love if you give us a like. And this is amateur videos. We are not doing this for money, so please don't give us too much hassle. Thank you.